In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a customer on Bill.com. We'll walk through this together from start to finish, so by the end, you'll feel confident adding any new customer to your account. Go ahead and sign in to your Bill.com dashboard so you can follow along in real time if you'd like. Once you're logged in, start by looking for the main navigation menu. Depending on your layout, this is usually along the top or on the left-hand side. In that menu, find and select the option labeled Customers. This section is where Bill.com stores all of the people or companies you send invoices to or receive payments from, so it's important to keep it organized and accurate. After you've opened the Customer section, you should see a list of any customers you've already added along with their details. What we want to do now is add someone new. Look for a button that says Add Customer. This is typically near the top of the page. Go ahead and click that to open the customer setup form. Now you'll see a page or pop-up where you can enter your new customer's information. Take your time here because the details you enter will show up on invoices and in your records. Start with the customer's legal name. This should match what appears on their official documents, contracts, or tax forms, especially if you're dealing with a business. If they use a different display or trading name, you'll usually see a separate field for a company name. Fill both in if they differ. Next, add the customer's address. Include the full mailing address, street, city, state or region, and postal code. This helps keep your records complete and can be useful for billing, reporting, and any documents you might export later. You'll also see fields for contact information, such as email address and phone number. Use the primary email where you want invoices and notifications to be sent, and if there's a main contact person, you can add their name as well. The more accurate this section is, the smoother your communication and payment process will be. Once you've double-checked everything for spelling and accuracy, you're ready to save. Look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or top right of the form, and click it. Bill.com will now create the customer record and add it to your customers list. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a new customer on Bill.com, and you're ready to start invoicing or tracking payments.